welcome back to my channel. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. 13 foods to eat when you are pregnant. Maintaining a healthy diet during pregnancy is very important. During this time, your body needs additional nutrients, vitamins and minerals. In fact, you may need 350 to 500 extra calories each day during the second and third trimesters. A diet lacking in key nutrients may negatively affect the baby's development. Here are 13 highly nutritious foods to eat when you are pregnant. 1. Dairy products. Dairy products, especially yogurt, are a great choice for pregnant women. They help you meet increased protein and calcium needs. Probiotics may also help reduce the risk of complications. 2. Legumes. Legumes are great sources of folate, fiber and many other nutrients. Folate is a very important nutrient during pregnancy and may reduce the risk of some birth defects and diseases. 3. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene which your body transforms into vitamin A. Vitamin A is important for the growth and differentiation of cells in your growing fetus. 4. Salmon. Salmon contains the essential omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, which are important for brain and eye development in your growing baby. It's also a natural source of vitamin D. 5. Eggs. Whole eggs are incredibly nutritious and a great way to increase your overall nutrient intake. They also contain choline, an essential nutrient for brain health and development. 6. Broccoli and dark leafy greens. These contain most of the nutrients that pregnant women needs. They are also rich in fiber which may help prevent or treat constipation. 7. Lean meat. Lean meat is a good source of high quality protein. Beef and pork are also rich in iron, choline and B vitamins, all of which are important nutrients during pregnancy. 8. Fish liver oil. A single serving 1 tablespoon or 15 ml of fish liver oil provides more than the required amount of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D and vitamin A. Fish liver oil may be particularly important for women who don't eat seafood. 9. Berries. Berries contain water, carbs, vitamin C, fiber, vitamins, antioxidants and plant compounds. They may help pregnant women increase their nutrients and water intake. 10. Whole grains. Whole grains are packed with fiber, vitamins and plant compounds. They are also rich in B vitamins, fiber and magnesium, all of which pregnant women need. 11. Avocados. Avocados contain high amounts of monosaturated fatty acids, fiber, folate and potassium. They may help improve fetal health and relieve leg cramps that are common in pregnant women. 12. Dried fruit. Dried fruit may be highly beneficial for pregnant women since they are small and nutrient dense. Just make sure to limit your portions and avoid candied varieties to prevent excess sugar intake. Last but not the least, 13. Water. Drinking water is important as your blood volume increases during pregnancy. Adequate hydration may also help prevent constipation and urinary tract infections. Thanks a lot for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And press on the bell icon to never miss an update of the healthy and nutritious food